Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn and Suites Chicago, Aurora. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free parking. This Aurora, Illinois hotel is off Interstate 88. This hotel features an indoor pool and children's pool, hot tub and convenience store. The Hampton Inn and Suites Chicago serves a daily breakfast to guests. The hotel has a laundry facilities and a business center with public computers. Guest rooms at the Chicago Hampton Inn and Suites include a coffee maker, microwave and refrigerator. The rooms also feature a 32-inch flat-screen TV. The Hampton Inn and Suites is within a 90-minute drive to downtown Chicago. The Splash Country Aquatic Center is 2 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.